Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to help you create your own personal or business page that would help you reach a large audience or expand your market. Facebook is one of the best social media platforms to do this and is tested by others. So let's get on with it. First, log into your Facebook account. Then click on Pages. Here you can find Create New Page. Click on it and it starts creating your page. This would be the desktop preview of your page. And if you click on the phone icon, it would change it to the mobile preview of it. Also here you can find the page name, the category, and the description. For your page name, you want it to be catchy and has a ring on it. And for your description, you want it to be simple, small, short, and informative. The page that I will be creating is for a computer store that sells computer parts and also fixes them. Now I'm gonna fill up my page information. First is my page name. My page name would be Stevens Tech Services. And the category of that would be a computer store and computer repair service. Keep in mind that the first category that you will be choosing will be the category that will be placed under your name. It would be the main category of your page. I'm going to be adding 2 categories, but you can add up to 3, which is good and helps people know what your page is. Now the description. I want the description to be short but informative. So I'm gonna type, here in Stevens Tech Services, we sell high quality computer parts and also give good service on fixing them. That would be my description. Before creating page, look at that preview. All change according to the information you gave. Now you're ready to click on create page. Click on it and create your page. As you can see, now your page is being created. Now, before saving, you can go to below here, add profile picture, also cover photo. I'll be doing that just to show you guys. So I'll be adding my first profile picture, and also I'll be adding my cover photo. So this is gonna be it. Now that you've added your profile picture and your cover photo, now you're ready to save. And let's get to the part that's most important, and how to get audience, how to get viewers, how to get likes, how to get follows. Basically, just expanding your page. Now, you can create a username, but for now, it's not that important to create a username for your page. Maybe it's gonna be denied, but for the next few days, you can create it. But for now, just leave it be. The first thing you want to do is invite your friends to like your page. They're the closest, and it's easy to do. See here, click that one, select all, and send invite. And if they receive them, they can like it instantly. Here you can see the insights. Insights would be like an analytics for Facebook. Here you can find the people who follow you, the people who interact with your page, all analytics, videos they watch, everything. It's gonna be useful for you to improve your page a lot. Now let's go back. Here, your about. Here you can find the general information and also contacting information. Here you can add your location, add your website, add your phone number, even add your email for your audience or your customers to contact you. This is the most important thing to do. Now let's edit your page info. Let's go here. Here you can find the general stuff we filled up earlier. The username, we can do that later on. Now let's go to your contact. Here you can add a phone number. If you don't, click on that circle below. Here you can also add your email. Click on that circle if you don't. And your website, click on that circle if you don't have one. Let's go to location. Here you can add your address, your business address, and also your service area if you have a delivery going on with your business. Now, here is the hours where you can give or let people know when your business is open. Also, the COVID-19 information, whether your business is affected with COVID or your services, and the more where you can put this information, your products, its prices. Here you can put that, and also you can link your other social media accounts like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and other social media platforms, which you can link to this account. And that's that. Let's move on. So that's your about. It's the most important thing to do to fill up. Now the add button, and where you can add a button for your visitors to interact, like follow, send message, call now, anything that may help you with your business. Facebook also does that, so you can add a page button. Now the last thing is the promote. In promote, you'll have to pay Facebook to promote your page in form of ads to other users. This would help you reach other people, global and local. Here you can get more messages, promote your page, get more website visitors, and get more reach. So that's it. So I hope I was of help to you guys, and create your Facebook page for your business or personal use. See ya. Thanks.